Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by defining a clear question and trimming it to 2 focused keywords. This forces relevance. Once done, wrap exact phrases in quotes to lock order and attach site or file type to target sources. Make sure to use the minus sign to exclude unrelated terms quickly. This narrows results. Speak like a human, but think like a librarian. Prioritize nouns and proper names. Doing this first saves time by returning higher quality hits immediately instead of scrolling through generic pages. Now refine by judging results for recency and authority. You want current, credible sources. Once you identify a promising snippet, open it in a new tab and scan headings and citations. Use operators like or in title to broaden or tighten coverage and try related to discover similar sites. Make sure to apply search tools, date ranges, verbatim mode, or regional filters to focus the set. This middle stage converts a rough list into a short list you can actually use. Finish by collecting the best results. Bookmark pages, download PDFs, or copy citations into your notes so you can act on them. Once done, iterate queries, swap in synonyms, relax constraints, or try another engine to cross-check coverage. Make sure to compare top sources and consolidate facts. If results are sparse or irrelevant, troubleshoot. Simplify the query, remove filters, view the page cache, or add in title to target headlines. This often reveals buried, useful content quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.